Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic HTML attributes using in form tag. So now we are going to discuss on the topic that is HTML attributes we are using in the form tag. So the attributes provides the additional information to our elements. Suppose in every time which we are discussing about the attributes, so first of all we will write the tag name and after that we will decline the attributes. For an example, the syntax would be, first of all we will write the tag name. After that, here we will write the attribute. After that, whatsoever the tag is and the tag close. Suppose we are talking about some tags, that is p tag. In p tag we can take style and the style in between this. We can write anything after that, the p tag would be closed. So the style is our attribute. So after that we will write our property and after that we will write here, after the column we will write here the value. So this is the first attribute which we haven't discussed. So after that the second tag I am going to discuss, that is image tag. So this is the tag name and after that I am going to declare the attribute that is src. So the src is the attribute. After that we will pass the value, here the property and here the whatsoever the value is. So after that we are going to discuss another, that is div, or as it is we can write here style which is the attribute and the div tag close. After this we are discussing about form tag, in which form we will write the action. Suppose our action is our attribute, so after that we will close the form tag. So today we are going to discuss on the topic form tag and the attributes. So first of all we will save our file with the extension, like I am saving my file of name form.html. So now I will type whole the body of the HTML and my body is being created, and after that I am giving the title, that is HTML form elements attributes and input type attributes ये तो कुछ और चल रहा है नहीं. Now I will create a form and in between the form we will type the style. The style is the attribute of the form function. So the form is a tag and the action is a attribute.
वही है, मैंने यहाँ लिखा ना HTML attributes वैसे लिखा हुआ है, वही चल रहा है, ये दोनों सेम है.
तो इसमें पहले बटन चल रही है
किसमें?
इसमें स्टार्टिंग में वो आया नहीं कुछ. So after that I am written in the comment that action is form element attribute. So after that I have written something that HTML form element like so the elements are there are many elements of the HTML attributes. For an example, first we have written in the form that is action. So action is a word attribute in HTML language. So the select is another attribute. After that option, and the other one is frame set. And now we will comment these lines. So now the form input type we are taking with the help of attributes of the HTML language. So as we have discussed, the attributes are of many types. So now we will input type text. So we are using the attributes in the form tag. So we have been commented these lines also. So now we are taking the input type text in between. We will take the value. The value is name. So in between the placeholder we haven't written the thing that is enter the name here, so that in the blank space this title would be declared. So after that the second input type we are taking password, and the value will be changed, that is password, which is the keyword. So here we will write enter the password here in the place of placeholder. Save the file, go to the browser, we will check how our form is being created with the help of attributes elements in HTML. So now we are going to explore this on Google Chrome. So we can see the form is being created like the name, and the password is being created as dot. So in this way we can style our form in any way with taking maximum as attributes and the input types that we need. So the third input type we are taking, that is date. So save the file and we will see the function of date that has been done here. So this is the calendar opened here. So now we can select our date according to our use. After that we have put in the break tag, that is BR. After that we are taking another input type. The next is checkbox. So now we will see how the checkbox is declared. So we will save the file, go to the browser, refresh your page, and you can see this checkbox, like the ticking system that you can tick your answer or any other thing that you want to choose. So like suppose I am giving the hobbies. So in this I have put in a checkbox and then break, and after that gender. In gender also I will give some input, that is radio button, and in the place of name I will write gender. So after that I will write male, and here I will change the data, that is female. The button will be remain same and the gender will be remain the same. Save the file and we will see the checkbox and this radio button. So for more clarification, we are taking a select. In between this, we will pass some value. Suppose we have taken an option. In between this, we will pass some value. Suppose in the select I have written the name, and I have given the options. For selecting the name, and I will print the output, that is 1 2 3 4 numbering, so that it would be different. So now we will save the file, refresh the page, and we can see this, that we have to select the options. Suppose we have taken the select and then we will put a break here. And the select button is also working. So here we will write the category, save the file, refresh your browser page, and see the thing, that is the option button, in which we can select our necessary things. So we have been shared the different things, form elements, which are made with the help of attributes in a HTML language. So in this way you can create your own form. So thanks for watching our session, and now we will meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.